From the udder to the tank, each stage prioritizes freshness, ensuring the milk's journey is seamless and pure.
Before transport, every tanker undergoes rigorous sanitization, guaranteeing the milk arrives at the factory in perfect condition.
Welcome to the heart of creation, where the journey of fresh milk transforms into delightful frozen treats, a symphony of flavors. With meticulous care, fresh milk enters the factory, beginning its precise transformation into our beloved ice cream. Every variable is rigorously monitored, ensuring optimal conditions for the milk's journey through our advanced systems.
Every batch undergoes stringent laboratory analysis, guaranteeing the purest, highest quality milk for our exceptional ice cream.
Detailed analysis ensures every parameter is perfect, upholding our unwavering commitment to unparalleled quality and taste. Through a labyrinth of gleaming pipes, the pure milk begins its transformative journey, controlled with absolute precision. Pasteurization, a vital step, ensures the milk's purity and safety, preparing it for its delicious transformation ahead.
Homogenization transforms the milk into a perfectly smooth, velvety base, crucial for our ice cream's luxurious texture.
Expert technicians meticulously blend ingredients, ensuring each batch achieves the perfect balance of flavor and consistency. Sweetness, precisely measured, flows into the mix, adding the foundational flavor that defines our exquisite ice cream.
Powerful mixers meticulously blend ingredients, transforming them into the velvety smooth, perfectly consistent ice cream base.
A crucial sample is drawn, ensuring the base's perfection before it embarks on the next transformative stage.
The first taste test, a moment of truth, confirming the base's rich flavor and impeccable, smooth consistency. In chilled aging tanks, the ice cream base matures, allowing flavors to deepen and textures to become exquisitely rich. Temperature is paramount. Careful monitoring ensures perfect aging, unlocking the full potential of every exquisite flavor profile.
Only the finest, freshest inclusions are selected, destined to elevate our ice cream into extraordinary culinary experiences. Premium chocolate, meticulously broken, promises delectable, rich chunks in every luxurious spoonful of ice cream. Our master chefs meticulously select and prepare fresh fruit purees, ensuring vibrant, authentic flavors in every scoop. Into the freezing tunnels, where the creamy base transforms into solid, delectable ice cream. A chilling masterpiece.
Within the continuous freezer, the liquid mixture solidifies, achieving that perfect, irresistible creamy texture we all adore.
Behold the moment of creation. A perfect, swirling ribbon of freshly frozen ice cream emerges. Pure delight.
A delicate touch, an expert assessment, ensuring every batch achieves that signature, irresistible, creamy texture.
Pristine tubs glide along the conveyor, awaiting their delicious destiny, ready to embrace our exquisite ice cream. With perfect precision, a luxurious swirl of ice cream fills each pristine tub, a moment of pure satisfaction. Each perfectly filled tub embarks on its journey, ready for sealing, preserving freshness and deliciousness within.
Automated precision seals each tub, locking in the freshness and flavor, ready for its journey to you.
The final touch, a vibrant label perfectly applied, encapsulating our brand's promise of delightful indulgence. Now fully branded, each tub represents our commitment to quality, ready to bring joy to homes.
Our dedicated team conducts meticulous final inspections, ensuring every single tub embodies our unwavering commitment to excellence.
Every tub is meticulously scanned, ensuring perfect inventory control and seamless tracking from our factory to your home.
Our delicious creations are carefully boxed, preparing for their journey to stores, spreading joy to countless families.
Robotic precision ensures perfect palletization, preparing our ice cream for efficient storage and global distribution.
In our vast, meticulously chilled warehouses, every single tub awaits its journey to delight families worldwide.
Behind the scenes, meticulous planning ensures our ice cream reaches you fresh, no matter the journey.
Our fleet of refrigerated trucks stands ready, ensuring every tub of ice cream maintains its perfect frozen delight.
With engines purring, our trucks embark, carrying the promise of deliciousness to homes far and wide.
Inside, perfect sub-zero temperatures are rigorously maintained, safeguarding the pristine quality of every frozen treat.
Across scenic routes, our trucks deliver frozen delights, bringing joy from our factory to your neighborhood. At the supermarket's doorstep, our drivers ensure prompt, careful delivery, maintaining the cold chain impeccably.
From truck to store, every box is handled with care, safeguarding the frozen goodness until it reaches your cart.
Through busy back aisles, our ice cream swiftly moves, destined for its prominent place in the frozen section.
Finally, nestled perfectly in the freezer, our ice cream awaits, ready to become a cherished family delight.
The moment of choice. A child's pure joy, selecting their favorite frozen delight. A sweet family tradition.
From our factory to your cart, our ice cream completes the perfect family grocery trip, a sweet reward.
At home, our ice cream becomes part of cherished family moments, creating sweet memories together.
Together, a simple scoop becomes a cherished ritual, a shared moment of pure, delightful family happiness.
A perfect scoop, glistening and inviting, ready to deliver pure joy with every creamy, delicious bite.
The first spoonful, a moment of pure bliss, as the smooth, creamy texture melts delightfully on the tongue. That priceless look of pure joy, the ultimate reward, proving every step of our journey worthwhile.
Ice cream, a simple pleasure, unites families, creating heartwarming moments and lasting sweet memories together.
Even as it melts, the creamy richness endures, a testament to its delightful, satisfying flavor experience.
Each delicate drop, a lingering taste of creamy perfection, a delightful reminder of joyful moments.
Empty bowls, full hearts. The true measure of our ice cream's delightful journey from farm to family.
A satisfied smile, an empty tub, the ultimate testament to a journey of flavor, crafted with love.
From the heart of tropical plantations, the journey of rich cocoa beans begins, destined for exquisite chocolate creations.
Skilled hands carefully harvest vibrant cocoa pods, honoring ancient traditions, ensuring the finest quality beans. With practiced skill, ripe cocoa pods reveal their treasure, glistening beans, bursting with future chocolatey potential.
Within wooden boxes, cocoa beans ferment, developing their complex flavors, a vital step towards rich chocolate.
Under the tropical sun, cocoa beans patiently dry, intensifying their rich aroma, preparing for their sweet destiny. Expert eyes meticulously examine each dried bean, ensuring only the highest quality cocoa continues its journey. Carefully, dried cocoa beans are bagged, ready to embark on their long voyage to our chocolate factory.
Across oceans, our premium cocoa beans travel, a global journey culminating in exceptional chocolate creations.
Within industrial roasters, cocoa beans transform, their rich aromas filling the air, unlocking deep, complex flavors.
Freshly roasted, these fragrant beans cool, capturing their intense flavor, essential for our premium chocolate. Winnowing machines expertly separate nibs from shells, revealing the pure essence of cocoa, ready for grinding. Powerful grinders transform nibs into rich cocoa liquor, the very soul of our premium, decadent chocolate.
A vital taste test, ensuring the cocoa liquor's profound richness and quality before its next transformation. Through a network of gleaming pipes, the rich cocoa liquor flows, destined to become our luxurious chocolate.
Within colossal conching machines, molten chocolate is refined, developing its exquisite smoothness and deep, rich flavor. Expert chocolatiers meticulously fine-tune the conching process, guaranteeing the chocolate's unparalleled smoothness and flavor.
A perfect scrape reveals the chocolate's exquisite, refined texture, a testament to meticulous conching. The moment of truth, a sample of molten chocolate, promising unparalleled depth of flavor and luxurious smoothness.
Master chocolatiers temper the molten chocolate, creating that signature snap and luxurious melt-in-your-mouth texture.
From molten to solid perfection, our tempered chocolate emerges, gleaming, ready to enrich our ice cream.
Precisely broken, these chocolate chunks promise delightful textural contrasts, elevating every spoonful of ice cream. Vibrant fruit purees flow through gleaming pipes, infusing our ice cream with bursts of natural, refreshing flavor. Within immense churns, fruit and chocolate delicately fold into our creamy base, creating exquisite flavor combinations. Expert technicians precisely control the churn, ensuring every flavor is perfectly infused and exquisitely balanced.
A perfect sample, the creamy base, vibrant fruit, and rich chocolate, harmoniously blended, ready to delight.
Each tub, a unique masterpiece, showcases vibrant flavors and delightful inclusions, ready for its final journey. Into the final freezing tunnels, where our exquisite ice cream achieves perfect solidity, ready for packaging.
Expert technicians meticulously control the freezing process, guaranteeing the perfect texture and preserving every delicate flavor.
Within the extreme cold, precise temperatures are maintained, ensuring every tub of ice cream reaches perfect, delicious solidity. Perfectly frozen, each tub glides along, ready for its protective packaging, preserving its delightful integrity.
A protective film seals each tub, locking in freshness, ensuring our ice cream arrives perfectly pristine.
Every shrink-wrap tub undergoes a meticulous final visual inspection, guaranteeing absolute perfection for your enjoyment.
In our vast, chilled warehouse, perfectly packaged ice cream awaits its journey to delight homes worldwide.
Our branded trucks depart, carrying the promise of delightful frozen treats, a symbol of quality and trust.
Every pallet is equipped with precise temperature loggers, ensuring continuous monitoring, safeguarding perfect frozen quality.
Through bustling city streets, our delicious ice cream travels, bringing refreshing moments to vibrant urban communities.
At local stores, our drivers deliver fresh ice cream, ensuring delightful treats are always within reach for everyone.
From truck to store freezer, our ice cream is carefully stocked, ready for its delicious moment with you.
That moment of choice, an irresistible craving fulfilled, a delightful treat now within grasp.
The final step, a swift purchase, bringing deliciousness from our factory directly into your eager hands. Stepping out with a smile, the promise of pure delight, a sweet moment waiting to be savored.
First spoonful, anywhere, the creamy texture, the perfect flavor, a moment of pure, simple joy. That moment of blissful indulgence, a sweet escape, proving our ice cream brings happiness everywhere.
From parks to beaches, our ice cream unites, creating joyful moments and sweet memories for everyone.
Whether inspiring creativity or simply unwinding, our ice cream elevates every personal moment, a sweet companion.
Back in its chilled sanctuary, our ice cream patiently awaits, ready for your next delightful indulgence. As day ends, our commitment to quality endures, a beacon of deliciousness from our dedicated factory.
Our legacy of flavor, illuminated by dedication, promises delicious joy for generations.
Inside the ice cream factory process journey, from fresh milk to frozen treats, a satisfying, delicious experience for all.